Want to track the moon's phases right from your iPhone? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can do that. First of all, head over to App Library and find Weather app, then tap on that. Now scroll down a bit and here you will find the Moon section. Tap on that. Here you will find details such as illumination, moonrise, moonset, next full moon and distance. Now, if you scroll down, you will have more detailed information over here. You can also swipe left to view past moon phases and swipe right to view the future moon phases, or swipe down for a monthly calendar view. In the calendar, it displays the symbols indicating the visible portion of the moon for each day and provides information on full moons and new moons. And that's it. You can get all of the details of moon phases right in your iPhone. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.